guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 28th August 2021. Today I am here at the KAGAL-NAGAR and you can see they are laying down the bricks near Daluka store and that cycle repair shop. You can see I'm not a fan of that brick road, this concrete road, because if you walk in this road your legs gonna pain. There's my mom coming after marketing. Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So here I am at the KAGAL-NAGAR. Just now found one new shop, or I say a cafeteria come shop or hotel. It's called Cafe and Curry. This is my mom showing the new hotel, that is Cafe and Curry.